Well, Deb Bernacki is joining us for this week's Happier at Home segment. This morning we're learning more about how to receive benefits from long-term care insurance policies. Deb, good morning to you.
Good morning. It's great to see you, Chris.
Great to see you as well. You know, this is one of those things I'm sure people may not even realize that they have these benefits. So kind of go over, Deb, for us what some of these benefits are and then how you can get them for your family members.
Yes, so long-term care insurance is an insurance that you purchase in addition to all your other insurances. It is not the same as health insurance. So oftentimes people will just continue paying these premiums and not even realize that they have long-term care insurance. So knowing that you have it, and then being aware of what types of things will qualify you for your benefits triggering or kicking in. So to understand that the long-term care insurance will cover things like home care, care in assisted living facilities, nursing home care, and hospice as well. So to begin, understand that they look at the ADLs. So that's bathing, feeding, transferring, dressing, and if you qualify for actually 2 of 5 or 6 ADLs, usually those are the triggers that will help to kick your insurance benefits in.
And Deb, can you explain what ADL stands for?
Yes, sorry. Activities of daily living. So these are things that we are normally needing to do on a daily basis. So one of the things that you need to keep in mind is that you need to call your insurance company to file a claim. So call your insurance company, make sure that you have your policy number, date of birth. They'll do things like verify your social security number just to make sure they know who they're speaking to. It's a really good idea to have a loved one or someone trusted that is also cleared to talk to the insurance company so they could help you to file the claim and understand and check on the status of the claim. So once you file the claim and talk to them, there's an elimination period. So that elimination period means that you need to self-pay for whatever number of days before the insurance policy kicks in. So you're going to want to, and usually it's about 90 days, you're going to want to pay for that care and keep documentation and receipts that you have done that. And then they'll give you a packet to fill out. You may need a physician attestation, and then they'll send a nurse out, a third-party nurse, to evaluate you. It's a great idea to have someone, either a case manager like myself or have a loved one with you, because so often we don't want to admit that we need help. Well, if you say, oh, I'm fine, no, I could get in and out of the shower by myself, then your benefit is not going to kick in. So we need to make sure that you understand that you have to be honest during this assessment. And it usually takes about 30 to 45 days to find out if this is actually approved. So it is good to understand your policy and make that call early on and not wait till last second.
Right, because as we know, medical care can get so expensive. And if you continue to have to pay that out of pocket, and when there's this option, it can just pile up, and typically the problems can kind of pile up as well. So best to address it as soon as possible, like you said, Deb, and not to let it go on because we're all a little bit stubborn. I think we don't like to ask for help. Deb, thanks so much for joining us this morning with those tips, and we'll see you next week.